Hey everyone, and welcome to the Rich Mindset. Are you ready to take control of your money and build a solid financial future? Here at the Rich Mindset, we believe that building wealth isn't just about luck. It's about understanding the fundamentals, step by step, just like constructing a building. That's why we've created this series to be your guide in building your very own Rich Mindset tower. Every great tower starts with a solid foundation. That's why we're kicking things off with the ground floor. The foundation. First, we'll explore the money mindset, learning to think about money in a way that empowers you. Then we'll lay down your E-Fund, your essential emergency savings to protect you from life's unexpected bumps. And finally, we'll create your budget blueprint, your personal guide to understanding where your money is going. Once the foundation is strong, it's time to tackle anything that might weigh us down. That's where the first floor, dealing with debt, comes in. We'll confront the debt monster, understanding different types of debt. Then we'll learn how to become the debt destroyer, exploring effective strategies to pay off what you owe and free up your finances. With a solid base and less debt, we can now focus on making your money work for you on the second floor. Making your money work for you. We'll plant the seeds in our investing garden, learning the basics of investing. We'll understand why it's crucial to diversify your crops, protecting your investments, and you'll witness the magic of compound interest, the incredible power of your money growing over time. As we build higher, we'll explore more advanced strategies on the third floor. Advanced strategies and wealth creation. We'll explore how to create a passive income pipeline, generating income beyond your main job. We'll get a glimpse into building a real estate empire, and we'll chart our course with the retirement rocket ship, planning for your future financial security. Finally, on the top floor, maintaining the rich mindset. We'll bring everything together with the financial freedom framework, because building your own rich mindset tower isn't a one-time event. It's an ongoing journey of learning and growth. Are you excited to build your own rich mindset? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the first episode of our series as we start from the ground up. Let us know in the comments which floor you're most excited to explore.